To adjust your tax withholding and possibly change your refund or taxes owed, you can update your W-4 form at any time. TurboTax makes this easy. Visit the Other Tax Situations section and look for Form W-4, then follow the prompts to adjust your withholding. TurboTax will guide you through questions based on your filing status and any changes you want to make. Don't worry if some fields don't apply. Just leave them blank or estimate as best as you can. Once completed, TurboTax will calculate your taxable income and taxes for the current year based on the information you provided. You'll then be able to print your updated W-4 form. Just hit Print Form W-4 and submit it to your employer. If you need more help, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.